Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the backup. Here you have to tap an account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you have to tap turn on, and your device will be ready to the backup. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.